work in the highways sector. I take schemes that have been identified for repair and I'll develop a solution to fix that problem. Whatever it could be things ranging from potholes, signs, street lighting, road markings, anti-skid. There's so many different things, different elements to the road network, and they all need maintaining, and that's what I do. I can say to my friends, I've done that, I've put that in there, or I'm going to be fixing that, and that's really satisfying to know that. I can be doing different things, from being in the office working on technical drawings and preparing contract documents for site and health and safety documents as well, or I could be on site doing site surveys such as visual inspections, identifying work that is required. I've got a few schemes on at the minute, one of them being replacing some barrier to protect road users. And I've also got a drainage scheme on at the minute, replacing a filter drain, so replacing the pipe and all the filter media on top. So once that's fixed, that'll all be running smoothly and back to normal. The best things about my job is the environment that I work in. I'm part of a really good set of team. I have a lot of friends at my work, and the work is very varied as well. There's always something new to learn, and it's just really exciting coming to work. I really enjoy it. The most challenging things about my role are working with different people and who have different opinions. If you like a challenge, then it's good fun. As a high school leaver, I wanted to be a bricklayer. I wanted to be outside in the open. So my careers advisor put me in touch with a few companies for interviews, but I wasn't taken on. From that, my careers advisor put me in touch with my local government, and I went for an interview for a new roads and streetworks inspector, which would be identifying defects and picking them up, putting them forward for design. From that, I progressed on to design technician and just worked my way up, basically. As high school leavers, you would need GCSEs, A to Cs in maths, science are essential. From that, I took an apprenticeship route, and I managed to get my HND in civil engineering, which took 5 years on an apprenticeship scheme. So from that, I can now progress onto a degree level as well. From my role as a civil engineer, I'd be looking to progress onto a senior and supervising other engineers as well and offering them advice. From that, you can go into management levels, or if you wanted to take a different route, you could venture down the construction side, and also within other industries as well, such as water and electricity, and there's lots of different kinds of engineering. I'm currently pursuing a professional qualification with the institution, where afterwards I'll get some letters after my name, and it looks really good to future employers, and some employers as well also insist on having professional accreditation. The wages are really good, actually. From a graduate, you're expected to be on around £25,000 a year. So I think engineering is sometimes the forgotten profession. Without engineering, you wouldn't have anything. You wouldn't have roads, you wouldn't have all the major things of infrastructure. If there was a natural disaster, the first two professions that they call on are doctors and engineers to fix things and put it right.